Hello, my name is Laura Reyes. I'm going to talk about the conditioning, classical operant, and the learning. All human beings are in the process of learning constantly, where the experiences, the information provided has been building used as integral human beings that are developed be integrated with theory. Is a type of associative learning that was first demonstrated by Van Pavlov. This author divides experiment without that are divides of classical conditioning. The conditioning he realized that the puring food on the dot is salivate every time of you pure food on him. Pablo go ring a bell so that when the dog listening to it, he go associative down sound with food and salivate. Thus the dog was given an answer to a stimulus. The next time he heard to build no mirror if it was attached to the food. It go going to salivate. It is classical conditioning helps the body to adapt to the surrounding environment. Operant conditioning is a form of learning through which a subject is more likely to repeat for behaviors that carry positive consequences and are less likely to repeat those with negative consequences. It is a type of associative learning that has to do with the development of new behaviors in the terms of its consequence, and not with the association between stimuli and behaviors as in classical conditioning. The term was introduced by Skinner, although today the one of instrumental conditioning, introduced by Edward to be more described, is preferred than the later subjects that behavior serves as an instrument to achieve and is given will try and error. Unlike the operant conditioning proposed by Skinner, who proposed that those responses that are referred then to repeat the thought and thoughthood reside punishment will have less likely to be repeated. The cognitive factor of learning refers to being able to understand the information given by the issuer and to store it for a long time. Although the human beings are constantly learning, developing skill that allow you to grow intellectually, obtaining practical and general knowledge that allow to associate the information we have with which we can avoid later. The human being can learn by observing and imitating other modes of behavior. Unfortunately, today we feel my factors that don't allow us to have that intellectual ground and development that we are going to breed use. Some are the internet, television, computer games, and other factors such as the type of music were hard to down, allow use have the better development or how in other kinds we don't have a person to help them feel it.